Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about applying mathematics in financial decisions, solving problems on business and consumer loans, amortization, and mortgage. This is quarter 4, numbers and algebra about grade 11, general mathematics. Again, this is quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 6, applying mathematics in financial decisions, solving problems on business and consumer loans, amortization, and mortgage. Our intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to A. Identify the types of loans, business versus consumer, and their key characteristics. Letter B. Compute loan payments using amortization and mortgage formulas. Letter C. Analyze the effect of interest rates, loan terms, and principal amounts on repayment schedules. Solve real-life problems involving business and consumer loans. Evaluate and compare loan options for informed financial decisions. Loans are borrowed sums of money that must be repaid with interest over a period of time. They are essential for individuals and businesses to finance large purchases, operations, or investments. Understanding the calculation of prepayments and the impact of interest rates is critical for effective financial management. Types of loans. We have business loans, the purpose of which is to finance business operations, expansions, inventory, or equipment. Requirements: business registration, financial statements, collateral, and business plans. Repayment terms, often longer term, may include installment, lump sum, or revenue-tied payments. Interest rates can be fixed or variable, usually lower than unsecured consumer loans if collateral is provided. Consumer loans, the purpose of which is to fund personal expenses such as home purchases, car loans, tuition, or vacations. The requirements are proof of income, employment, or credit history. The repayment terms are usually fixed monthly installment, short-term than business loans. The interest rates are fixed or variable, may be higher if unsecured or high risk. Loan calculations, amortization. Amortization refers to spreading loan payments over time so that the borrower pays both principal and interest in each installment. The formula for monthly payment, the amortized loan, PMT, which is the monthly payment, is equal to P, which is the loan principal, times R, times 1 plus R raised to N, over 1 plus R raised to N minus 1, where R there is the monthly interest rate, the annual rate divided by the 12, and then N is the number of payments. Key points: as R increases, monthly payments increase. As N increases, payments are smaller, but total interest paid increases. Mortgage loan. A mortgage is a type of long-term consumer loan, usually secured by real estate. Example calculations: principal, 1,500,000. Annual interest rate, 8%. The term, 15 years. Monthly interest rate, 0.08 divided by 12, which is equal to 0.006667. Number of payments, 15 times 12, and that is equal to 180. Monthly payment can be calculated using the amortization formula. Okay, so problem-solving steps. Identify the loan type. Is it business versus consumer? Determine the principal, then the interest rate, and loan term. Decide if the loan requires monthly installment or other repayment methods. Apply the appropriate formula for amortization or mortgage. Compute monthly payment, the total payment, and total interest. Analyze results to make financial recommendations. Principal examples. Practical examples. A bakery owner borrows 500,000 pesos to buy ovens. So this is a business plan. Calculate monthly payments over 5 years at 10% annual interest rate. Letter A, a young, a young professional borrows 200,000 to buy a car. Consumer loan. Compute the monthly payments over 4 years at 12%. These exercises help learners link theory to real financial decisions. Key takeaways. A business loans are mainly for operations or investments. Consumer loans are for personal use. Amortization spreads payments over time, reducing short-term financial burden. Higher interest rates or longer terms increase the total amount paid. Understanding loan calculations ensures better decision making and avoids financial risks. Practice problems for quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 6, applying mathematics in financial decisions, solving problems on business and consumer loans, amortization, and mortgage. Number 1. A small business borrows 500,000 to purchase the new equipment. The annual interest rate is 10% and the loan term is 5 years. Calculate the monthly amortization payment. So we're given B, 500,000, R, 10%, and 5 years. Required monthly amortization payment M. So using the formula, M is equals to P times R times 1 plus R raised to N over 1 plus R close in parenthesis raised to N minus 1. Substitute the given value of P, which is 500,000. The value of R, which is 0.10 over 12. And then N will be 5 times 12, 60. And then substitute it in the formula. And then the final answer is 10,618 pesos and 97 centavos. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 numbers and algebra lesson Roman numeral number 6.